Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from after I upload it, then yeah, the chart very well may look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big update that's occurred since the video I did on Monday is that this breakout move, the breakout move being defined as getting up through that red line there, has just continued to get more continuation. Now, granted, as of the recording of this video, sure, the price has pulled back here a little bit, as you can see right there. But overall, a very, very healthy breakout, and pretty much the chart is firing on all cylinders right now. So with that being the case, I'm going to go ahead and just do some house cleaning here and get rid of these lines down here. Yes, these lines all still do pertain to the chart, but as far as from a presentation standpoint, they're not really relevant anymore. So I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first level I want to put in here, and this will lead to the first question too to ask yourself. So let's say you are watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. The question that you need to ask yourself right away is, where's the price at relative to 12,000? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above 12,000, then that implies that this chart is basically as healthy as it can get. Now, granted, I realize that, well, what do you mean, Clay? Couldn't it go up? Now, of course, yeah, if it went higher, then that would be, that much healthier. But from a consolidation standpoint, from just, a base building perspective, stop and think, even if the price were to go back down to 12,000, so you're watching this 15 hours from now and the price is down there. Well, what is that still telling you? That's still telling you that the price has an opportunity to build a low there, and then you look at these lows down there, and you look at that one down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, then overall, that's very healthy stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 12,000, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that, but the next question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average, or to assign a numerical value to it, where's the price at relative to 11,400? As long as you're answering the question that the price is up above 11,400, then as far as I'm concerned, the chart is basically, as bullish can get. Again, preferably speaking, yeah, stay up above 12,000, but 12,000 is by no means some sort of must-hold level or anything like that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's basically in a little miniature blue sky breakout until these highs that were hit from, a couple weeks ago up around the 13,800 mark. So from that point of view, how good does the chart look? How strong does the chart work? Well, just let your gut instincts, common sense come into play. If you're watching this 15 hours from now and now you're saying, well, the price is up there at 13,500. Well, that would tell you that not only has this consolidation turned out to be healthy, but now the price is building and getting that much stronger, with a continued breakout there. So overall, though, keep your eye on these general levels, and I'll be back 24 hours from now to get the chart updated once again. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.